Mm-hmm. मुझे लिंक भेजो उसका. मैं लाइव हूँ. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार. I think it's not working. Hello friends, namaskar. Welcome to a new session. In today's video, we'll talk about the various questions of agriculture. Okay, please tell me that I'm audible or not. Everyone, it's my humble request to all of you. Please tell me that I'm audible or not. Everyone, it's my humble request to all of you. Please tell me. Asu Singh is audible. Okay. So friends, I think I'm audible. So we should start our today's session. So due to some technical error, there was some problem. Okay, well, so now we'll start our session. So the question was the agroecological. Well, the previous question was who has written the history of Indian agriculture? Means who has written the history of Indian agriculture? It's a name of book, and you have to say that who has written this book, or you can say who is the author of that famous book. And the book name is who has written the book the history of Indian agriculture. Then you have to say that who is the author of book the history of Indian agriculture. So anyone who is live, please tell me that who is the author of book the history of Indian agriculture. Yeah, the history of Indian agriculture. So this time many people are live. Then please try to tell me that who is the author of that book the history of Indian agriculture. The history of Indian agriculture. Everyone, please tell me that who is the author of that book, The History of Indian Agriculture. Yeah, everyone, it's necessary. Yeah, it's necessary for all of you that please provide me the correct option. That who is the author of that book, The History of Indian Agriculture. So, when we talk about the Indian agriculture, so some scientists are very famous, and the most famous scientist is the Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Saab, because Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Saab is known as the father of, he is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution. He is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution. He is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution. So I think all of you have been aware about it, that why he is famous, because he is the father of Indian Green Revolution. Second thing is there that if someone asks you who is the father of Green Revolution, in that condition you should remember that there is a scientist, and the name of the scientist is Norman Borlaug. Norman Borlaug. Norman Borlaug, and he is known as the father of Green Revolution. He is known as the father of Green Revolution. On the other hand, if someone asks you who is the father of Indian Green Revolution, in that condition you can say that's M.S. Swaminathan Saab is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution. So that was another thing. Now you have to say who has written the book of, who has the name, who has written the book, the history of Indian agriculture. So the correct answer will be M.S. Randhawa Saab, because M.S. Randhawa has written the book The History of Indian Agriculture, because he has a huge research in the history of Indian agriculture. That's why I think he has written the history of Indian agriculture. So the correct answer will be M.S. Randhawa Saab. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question, and our next question is the agroecological region of the country are? Okay, the second question is the agroecological region of country are A 15, B 17, C 18, and D 20. And D 20. And that question was asked in UPPSC RO ARO mains, okay, as well as and UPPSC RO ARO special. Okay, means two times that question was asked, and I think that question was asked many times. So anyone who is live, please provide me the correct option. That who is the father of sorry, yeah, how many agroecological regions in India are found? Yeah, everyone who's live, please provide me the correct option. That what will be the correct option for this question? Everyone, it's my humble request to all of you that please provide me the correct option. Yeah, please provide me the correct option for this question because I'm still waiting for response. So okay, Yadav ji bhaiya, प्रयागराज वाले, well done Yadav ji, 20, well done, because the correct answer is 20. Because the agroecological regions in our country are 20. There are 20 agroecological regions, or you can say areas in our country. So Yadav ji, you are doing well, your answer is correct, 20 is correct. So that's Yadav ji Prayagraj wale. Master Sahab, namaskar. Namaskar Yadav ji. Well, so 20 is the correct answer. 20 is the correct answer. Now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is read the statement and choose the correct options, that which of the following is correct. So we have three statements, statement 1, 2 and 3, and after that we have to choose the correct option, that what will be the correct option. So the statement first was India has been divided into 20 agroclimatic region. India has been divided into 20 agroclimatic region. So it was first statement. Second statement is India has been divided into 15 agroecological regions, that is agroclimatic and that is agroecological regions. Third, the coverage area of Western Himalayas cold arid ecoregia is more than coverage area of Western Himalayas region. So these are the statements, and you have to say which of the following is correct. You have to say that which of the following is correct. Okay, I think I should move. Okay, now I think this question is visible. So please, and that question was asked in Chhattisgarh PCS in 2020. So now you can correlate that why this question is very important. Yeah, that why this question is very important. So anyone who is live, now I'm side, that please provide me the correct option, that what will be the correct option for this question. Everyone, anyone who is live, please try to provide me the correct option because I am still waiting for the correct answer. Yeah, this time I'm also waiting for the correct option, that what will be the correct option for this question. Yeah, anyone who is live, please try to attend these questions and provide me the correct option. Okay, Prayagraj wale 7E. Okay, wait some time, Prayagraj wale Yadav ji, wait some time now because many people are live there. So you have to tell that how many options are correct, because if more than, because in option E none of them are more than above, none of the above are more than above. So you have to choose and you have to tell me that which of the following is correct. Everyone, because many people are live, some people are live, then please try to provide me the correct option. Please provide me the correct option, that how many statements are correct. Okay, Yadav ji is saying E. Okay, 7E. Okay, more than one is correct. Okay, Yadav ji, you are correct, you are doing correct, but please try to understand the question, that what is the meaning of that question. Well, I know you are a good student, because as in the previous question you tell me the answer of that question, that India has been divided into 20 agroclimatic region. So that's true, that statement one was correct. Second was India has been divided into 15 agroecological regions. So that is also correct, because India has been divided into 15 agroecological statements. Means both our statements are correct. But statement third is there, coverage area of Western Himalayas cold arid ecologia is more than coverage. No, that's not correct, because the Western Himalayas are not the cold arid region. That's incorrect. So now try to uh, study these options, because in statement in option A, statement 1, 2, 3 are all are correct. So that is impossible. In statement 2, statement 1, 2, 3 all are incorrect. So that will be also incorrect. Third is there, only statement 1 and 2 are correct, because we have that option 1 and 2 are correct na? So that will be the correct answer. Option C will be the correct option, because in option E we have none of the above or more than one of the above. More than one of the above, because we have that answer. So I think option C will be the correct option. Okay, because it's impossible. Okay, so option C will be the correct option. Yadavji, I think Savannah Siddiqui C. Well, Savannah doing well. Okay, Yadavji, your concept is correct, but due to some mistake, you didn't study. I think that statement, because the statement 1 and 2 are correct. Because your concept is totally correct. Well done, doing well, doing well. Now we'll move to the next question. These are the statements and reasons. A statement is there, the dry zone of India has a predominantly agrarian economy. Okay, reason is there, it has large potential for the second green revolution. Select the correct answers and quotes given below. And that question was asked in UPPSC mains 2010. That question was asked in UPPSC mains 2010. Then I think now you can correlate. Now you can correlate that which of the following is correct. Savannah, Arya, anyone who is live, please try to attend these questions, because these are very important. And in these questions, we will talk about some, you can say some basics too. So please try to attend that question, that what will be the correct option of that question. Sentence is there, the dry zone of India has a predominantly agrarian economy. Yeah, it could be true. Reason is there, it has large potential for the second green revolution. Okay, select the correct answer, everyone. Select the correct answer, everyone. Yeah, this time many people are live. Please provide me the correct option. That which of the following is correct? That which of the following is correct? Yeah, please tell me that which of the following is correct? Yeah, it's my humble request to all of you that please, okay, I think this time I'm audible. Please provide me the correct option, that which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? That which of the following is correct? Please tell me. क्या ऑप्शन लिखा आपने? Well, so other question is, the dry zone of India has a predominantly agrarian region. Okay, what was the your answer? And the answer was okay. घर देखो C. Okay, घर देखो is saying C. Okay, अरे well done, Sigma. Savannah Siddiqui ji C. Okay, Yadav ji 8C. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, well, try to understand me that why these questions are very tricky, because first statement is there, the dry zone of India has a predominantly agrarian economy. Yeah, that's true, because the dry land of India is, because you can say the dry land of India mainly that is the area of Madhya Pradesh as well as the Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. That's true, that area is totally agrarian. So statement 1 is correct because the economy of that area is totally dependent on agriculture. That's true. Options reason is there. It has a large potential for the second green revolution. Yeah, it's also correct. It's also correct. Now you will say, so how you can say it's correct? Because that area is agrarian area. So that's true because every area have some drawbacks where it can do better. And for second green revolution, every area has various potential. Every area, even in our Lucknow area, in our western UP, in our eastern UP, every area have potential for the green revolution. And as I told you, whenever there is futuristic goals, whenever there will be futuristic goals, and in the you can say bhavishya ki baatein in science, so all these things will be maximum, they will be positive. So because in that sentences, the second sentence, India has a large potential for the second revolution. Yeah, that's true that it has a large potential for the second revolution. That's also true. So both are correct, but it is not the correct reason for that thing. So option B is correct because both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation. Okay, but R is not the correct explanation. Yadav ji, the answer is yeah, the answer is B, not A. So anyone, if anyone provide me B, everyone was saying C. No, both are correct. Both are correct because India, every area of India has huge potential. Every area of India has huge potential for second green revolution as well as for third green revolution too, because we are totally dependent on agriculture, and there is need of various revolutions. So that's true. So now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, because that question was asked in IS 14, so that's why these questions are very large. So don't be hesitate, try to read full questions. I will provide you maximum time. The question was, in the context of food and nutritional security, in the context of food and nutritional security of India, enhancing the seed replacement rate, enhancing the seed replacement rate of various crops help in achieving the food production target for the future, okay, of the future. But what is the constraint in its wider or greater implantation? So these are the options. A, there is no national seed policy in place. Okay, that's incorrect. Well, we'll take later. Second, there is no participation of private sector seed companies in the supply of quality seeds of vegetables and planting material of horticulture crops. Third is there is a demand supply gap regarding quality seeds in case of low value and high volume crops. And that question was asked in IS pre 2014. Now you have to choose that what will be the correct option. Everyone, please tell me that what will be the correct option. Yeah, Prayagraj, Yadav ji, Prayagraj wale, Yadav ji bhaiya, well done. B is correct. So in that condition, that's question number 9. Take time, take time. Okay, don't be in a hurry. Take time and provide me the correct option. And provide me the correct option. That what will be the correct option. I think I should be okay now. Provide me the correct option. Because maximum of you are farmer. Matlab, I know that maximum of us, even me, belongs to a farmer family. So if you have single minded, so I think you can correlate. I'm sure that you can correlate. Yadav ji, Prayagraj wale. In C, okay. Yadav ji is saying option B, Prayagraj wale. Well, Yadav ji, well, I think you are doing well. I think you are doing well. Well done. Because try to recognize these things. Because in the first sentence is saying there is no national seed policy. That's incorrect because we have a national seed policies. India has a national seed policies, and we have National Seed Corporation of India. There is a corporation, and the corporation name is National Seed Corporation of India. I think there is some problem. Well, there is a National Seed Corporation of India. National Seed Corporation. There is National Seed Corporation of India, and it has various branches in whole India. It has various branches as well as the research centers in whole India. So we can say, sir, the statement one was incorrect. So our statement one was incorrect. Okay, but yeah. So that was the question. Oh, so the statement one was okay. Where is the question? So the statement one was incorrect. Second statement is there. There is no participation of private sector seed companies. Is it possible? Because maximum of you are belongs to a farmer family, and you know that the maximum private companies are playing in the field of seed. Okay, because Adani, Ambani, everyone was playing. So that statement is also incorrect. There is no need to read again. Third is there. There is a demand supply gap regarding the quality seeds in case of low value and high value crops. Yeah, that's true. Because every time in India, there is a gap between the demand and supply of seeds and everything. So that's correct. Suppose you have no knowledge about these things, but you can correlate your answers by a presence of mind. So I think Yadoji, you should clap for yourself. Doing well. Well done, Yadoji. So now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is okay. Our next question is the first agriculture university of country is the first agricultural university of India is A. JNKV Jabalpur, B. Govind Ballabh Pant Agriculture University Pantnagar, C. PAU Ludhiana, okay, and D. RAU Bikaner. So now you have to say it's a simple question that what will be the correct option of that question. Everyone, please provide me the correct option for this question. Please provide me the correct option for this question. Yeah, please provide me the correct option for this question. Many people are alive, so please provide me the correct option for this question. I think I'm live. So many people are live. Please provide me the correct option. Please provide me the correct option, everyone. It's a simple question, and I think all of you should remember that thing. That when what is the name of first Indian agriculture university? Savannah is saying 10A. No, Savannah, that the correct answer is option B. That is the Govind Ballabh Pant Agriculture University in Pantnagar, and it was established in 1960. It was established in 1960. Okay, at that time the Pantnagar was in Uttar Pradesh. At that time, because the Uttar Pradesh was not divided, so at that time the Pantnagar was in Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and it was established in 1960, and it was the India's first agriculture university. So you should remember the name of that university. Okay, so now, okay, Ghar Dekho is saying option A. No, option is not correct. Okay, option is not correct. The correct option is Govind Ballabh Pant. I know that all of you can answer this question because can give that answer because there was no full form in that question. So if the full form was given, then I'm sure then all of you are capable. Okay, wow. Now we'll move to the next question, and the next question is if safe storage is to be ensured, if safe storage is to be ensured, the moisture content of the food grains at the time of harvesting should not be in higher than, means when we talk about the moisture content, when we talk about the moisture content at the time of harvesting, then you have to say that what will be the correct option. Everyone, please provide me the correct option. So in that condition, what will be the correct option? Yeah, everyone, please provide me the correct option, that what will be the correct option of that question. Because if safe storage is to be ensured, if there should be safe storage, and that should be ensured the moisture content of the food grains at the time of harvesting. Because whenever you are harvesting, whenever you are harvesting anything, okay, mainly we are talking about the crops. In crops generally, wheat is there, rice is there, pulses are there. Then you have, because if you have to store, if you have to store, then you have to say that what will be the correct option in that condition. Everyone, that what will be the correct option of that question. Because whenever you have to store anything, means generally anything, mainly grains, so in that condition the moisture content should not be more than 40%, should not be more than 14%. So option, this time option A is correct, 11A. So this time option A is correct. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is, double cropping in agriculture means, double cropping in agriculture means raising of A, two crops at different time, B, two crops simultaneously, C, one crop along with another crop, and D, none of the above. And D, none of the above. And that question was asked in Bihar PCS 2019. That question was asked in Bihar PCS 2019. So I think now you can correlate that what will be the correct option. Everyone, what will be the correct option? Because double cropping is different from the mixed cropping and multi cropping. Double cropping is different from mixed cropping and multi cropping. I think now I'm side. So please provide me the correct option. Everyone, anyone who is live, please try to provide me the correct option, that what will be the correct option of these, sorry, what will be the correct option for these questions. Everyone, okay, Savannah Siddiqui is saying 12C. No, Savannah, there's two things are there. There is a monocropping or monoculture. Monoculture, there is monoculture, you can say biculture, or there is a double culture, or you can say there is a two, there is a monoculture and there is a double culture, or you can say double cropping. Double cropping, there is monoculture and double cropping. In monoculture we generally show same type of crops, same type of crops at a same land, at a same land, at a same land we show same type of crops like rice, then rice, then rice, rice, then rice, then rice. So it's a monoculture, it is the, so rice, it's a monoculture. Okay, and when we talk about the double cropping, so the same land should be there, and there should be two crops, there should be two crops at different times. So the correct option will be option A. The correct option will be option A, two crops at different times, two crops at different times. So at that time the right answer will be option A. The right answer will be option A. Now we will move to the next question, and the next question is, which of the following is the chief characteristics of mixed farming? Which of the following is the chief characteristics of mixed farming? Everyone, everyone who is live, please try to provide me the correct option. And that question was asked in ISP 2012. That question was asked in ISP 2012. So it's my humble request to all of you, please try to provide me the correct option. Please try to provide me the correct option, that what will be, okay, I think I should be okay, that what will be the correct answer. Yeah, that's question number 12. Sorry, that's question number 13. So try to provide me the correct option. What do you mean by mixed cropping? Everyone, what do you mean by mixed cropping? These questions are very important because in these questions we are generally not talking about only questions. We are also talking about the concept behind the questions. So now, so that you can correlate, so that you can correlate. Yeah, so that you can correlate. So that you can correlate. Okay, Savannah is saying 12C. No, Savannah, we are on question number 13. Yeah, I'm live. This time I'm live. So we are on question number 13. We are on question number 13. Everyone. Because in that question, which are the following chief characteristics of mixed farming? Mixed cropping is there and mixed farming is there. That's talking about the mixed farming, not mixed. That's talking about the mixed farming, not about the mixed cropping. Mixed cropping is different and mixed farming is different. Let's take a break so you can understand. So when we talk about the mixed cropping and mixed farming. So generally the farmer, so the generally farmer uh, depends on depends on their crops, but simultaneously they are also dependent on their pet animals or rearing of animals, and by the mean of rearing of animals, by which they can earn money easily simultaneously. So you can say that's an in mixed cropping. In mixed cropping, cropping is there. Sorry, in mixed farming, cropping, or you can say agriculture. In simple words, you can say mixed cropping, agriculture is there. In mixed cropping, agriculture is there, plus plus animal husbandry, animal husbandry, animal husbandry is there, and collectively these are known as mixed farming. And collectively these are known as mixed farming. So the question number 13. So it was the answer of question number 13. When someone asks you what do you mean by mixed farming, then you can say, so farming along with the animal husbandry, or you can say by rearing of animals, it's known as the mixed farming. It is known as mixed farming. So the correct option will be, and when someone asks you mixed cropping, so you can say, sir, in mixed cropping, generally in mixed cropping, what we did that we uses different type of crops at the same time. That's known as the mixed cropping. So now our answer is cultivation of both cash crops and food crops. No, that's not true. B, cultivation of two or more crops in a same field. No, because cultivation of two or more crops is known as, at a same field is known as mixed cropping. Is known as mixed cropping. Is known as mixed cropping. And cultivation of both cash and food crops, it is not known as the mixed cropping. Third is there rearing of animals. As I told you, rearing of animals and cultivation of crops together means farmer is not totally dependent on crops. He will also dependent simultaneously on the animals too, means rearing of animal as well as the cultivation of crops. Both are going. So it is known as the mixed farming. It is known as mixed farming. It is known as mixed farming. Mixed farming is different and mixed cropping is different. So be aware about the differences between these things. That mixed farming have two things. That is the crops along with the rearing of animals. Whereas in mixed cropping, cultivation of two or more crops at the same time is known as the mixed cropping. So that's clear. So well, when someone asks you what do you mean by cash crops, so cash crops are those crops which provides fast cash to the farmer, like sugarcane, tobacco, uh, cotton, these are known as the cash crops because generally farmers show them for the instant earning. So the correct option will be, so the correct option will be that answer. Okay, now we'll move to the next question, and our next question is, mixed farming consists of, same question but pattern is different. Mixed cropping consists of A, growing of several crops in a planned way. B, growing Rabi as well as Kharif crops. C, growing several crops and also rearing animals. And D, growing of fruits as well as vegetables. Growing of fruits as well as vegetables. So anyone who is live, please try to provide me the correct option. So please try to provide me the correct option, that what will be the correct option of that question, because concept is there, concept is same. So I think you can okay, so I think you can answer it easily. So I think you can answer it easily. So anyone who is live, please try to provide me the correct option. Please try to provide me the correct option, that what will be the correct option of that question. That what will be the correct option of that question. That what will be the correct option of that question, everyone. Yeah, I am still waiting for response. Please try to provide me the correct option, that what will be the correct option of that question. So because the concept is same, growing of several crops along rearing of animals. Growing several crops along rearing of animals is known as the mixed farming, is known as mixed farming. And mixed farming is very beneficial because if the crop will not provide them the adequate amount, in that condition he can also use the amount by rearing of animals, so that will be helpful for them. Now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is not a characteristics of Indian agriculture? Again, which of the following is not a characteristics of Indian agriculture? A, over dependence of nature. B, low level of productivity. C, diversity of crops. And D, predominance of large farms. Predominance of large farms. And that question was asked in Uttarakhand PCS in 2010. Uttarakhand PCS in 2010. So anyone who is live, please try to provide me the correct option. Please try to provide me the option, that what would be the correct option of this question. Everyone. These questions are hugely important. It seems that these are easy, but these are easy and tough too. So you can't skip these questions. You can't skip these questions. You have to tell me that which of the following will be the correct option. Again, so because in that condition, try to, because if you don't have any single knowledge, but you can attempt that question, try to join me. So the first was over dependence of nature, and the question was asking which is the not is there. So you have to understand that why it's tricky question. So over dependence of nature, that's not true, because India is a country of agricultures. India is a country of India is a country of agriculture, and the farmers are totally dependent on natures. Farmers are totally dependent on natures for the various water, for very irrigation methods, for climatic change. So that's incorrect, because lower over dependence of nature. Because in India, we are dependent on but not over dependent. So that's not correct. B, low level of productivity. No, that's not true. That's not true, because in India we have a higher level of productivity too. Because sorry, in India we have low level of productivity. That's also true. Yeah. C, diversity of crops. That's also true because in India we have a huge diversity of crops. Means maximum type of crops are there, maximum type of fruits are there, maximum type of vegetables are there. So you can correlate that we have a diversity of crops. We have a diversity of crops. So all these three statements are correct. Now we'll move to the fourth option, predominance of large farmers. No, in India, there are not large farmers. There are no large farmers in India. Mainly small marginal farmers are there. In India, mainly small marginal farmers are there. So this statement is incorrect. So our answer will be option D. Our option will be option D. Well, now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is are the advantages of practicing drip irrigation? Again, which of the following is are the advantage or advantages of practicing drip irrigation? First, reduction in weeds. B, reduction in soil salinity. And C, reduction in soil erosion. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Okay, I think this is due to the mistake. Okay, now you have to, and these are the codes: A 1 and 2 only, B 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, and D none of the above. And that question was asked in IS Pre 2016. So you can correlate that why. So you can correlate that why these questions are important. That why these questions are important. Yeah, please tell me that why these questions are important. Everyone, I am still waiting for a response that why these questions are important. That why these questions are important. Yeah, this time many people are live. Please provide me the correct option. That what will be the correct option of this question. Yeah, everyone, please provide me the correct option because I'm still waiting for response. I am still waiting for response. So please try to provide me the correct option. That what will be the correct option of that question. Okay, this is question number 16. This is question number 16. So anyone who is live, I think many people are live, but why? Well, because in that question, which of the following is the advantage of practicing drip irrigation? So because in drip irrigation, we generally provide water by drop method, which is known as drip irrigation. And this is due to this drip irrigation, maximum use of water is possible. Maximum use of water is possible. So in that condition, you can say in drip irrigation, reduction of it is helpful in the reduction of weeds. Yeah, that's true. Because in drip irrigation, because we provide water to the roots, we provide water to the root of the plant. So you can say that the other things, other weeds cannot use those water. So that will also help in the reduction of weeds. So that's true. Second is there reduction in soil salinity. Okay, I think there is some doubt. Third is the reduction in soil erosion. Yeah, that's true because when we uses the drip irrigation, so it will also reduces the soil erosion. So that's true. Option second is not correct. I think option second is not correct because in option second, reduction in soil salinity, because there is no role of drip irrigation for soil salinity. There is no role of drip irrigation in soil salinity. So that option is incorrect. So option 2 is incorrect. 1 and 3 is correct. So okay, again we have option C. We have option C. Option 1 and 3 is correct. So we should clap for ourselves. Now we'll move to the next question. Okay, which of the following, okay, I think we have done the same question. Okay, the question is, the reason of low productivity of Indian agriculture is, the reason of low productivity in Indian agriculture. Why there is low productivity in Indian agriculture? So anyone who is live, please try to provide me the correct option. Why there is low productivity in Indian agriculture? Why there is low productivity in Indian agriculture? Everyone, why there is low productivity in Indian agriculture? Why there is low productivity in Indian agriculture? Option A, overcrowding in agriculture. B, small land holding. Third, traditional agriculture practice. And D, all of the above. And D, all of the above. And that question was asked in UPPSC 2007. That question was asked in UPPSC 2007. So you can correlate that why it's important. But if you have a single knowledge about the agriculture, if you have not a single knowledge about agriculture, but if you have a common mind, common sense, so I'm sure that you can correlate some options and you can tackle the correct option. So because no one is ready to provide me the correct option, so I think I should. So the first option is overcrowding in agriculture. That's true, because in agriculture there is huge overcrowding because many peoples are there. We have low land area, we have low cropping area, but our population is increasing day by day and our cropping area is decreasing day by day. So it's impossible to say that why this is important, because overcrowding in agriculture is also true because we have a huge population and we have less agriculture area. So option 1 is correct. Second is there, small land holding. Yeah, that's also true because in India the maximum India maximum farmers are marginal farmers. Maximum farmers are not marginal, they are the small marginal farmers. Maximum farmers are small marginal farmers. So you can correlate that small land holdings are there. That's also true. Now we'll move to the next question. That is the traditional agricultural practice. That's true because in India traditional agriculture practices are there. In India traditional agricultural practices are there. So you can say, so that it's true. So it's true. So we have option D, that all of the above, are correct. So you can say, sir, option D is correct because all the statements given above are correct. So we have option D is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is, yeah, our next question is, which of the following is the pathway to increase productivity in agriculture? Again, which of the following is the pathway to increase productivity in the agriculture? So if you have read NCERT class 9th, and that is the question number, chapter number first. In chapter number first, all these things are there. That's why I'm saying for the science, tech, agriculture, as well as for environment, NCERT till 10th are enough. So in that condition, which of the following is the pathway to increase the productivity in agriculture? A, efficient agriculture. Yeah, that's true because efficient irrigation. Irrigation. Yeah, if there will be efficient irrigation, so that's true that it will increase the productivity. That's true. Quality seeds. Yeah, that's also true because if we have good quality seeds, so that will increase the productivity too. That's true. What is there? Use of pesticide. Yeah, use of pesticide is there because in India, or you can see in any country, there is huge number of pests. We generally destroy the crops. So that's also true. Option D, use of fertilizers. Yeah, use of fertilizers are also true because if we have a good quality of fertilizers, so that will also increase the productivity. So in that condition, all these are correct. So the correct option will be option E because none of the above or more than above are correct. That none of the above or more than above are correct. So we have option D. Sorry, we have option A. Now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is, okay, our next question is, and that question was asked in UPPSC in 2014. That question was asked in UPPSC in 2014. And the question is, Green Revolution technology played a crucial role in gradually transforming traditional agriculture. That there is a gap. Transforming traditional agriculture into a modern scientific one. Reason, it did not involve much in social and environmental cost. So now you have to correct. Now you have to correlate which of the following is correct. Now you have to correlate that which of the following is correct. Again, this time again many people are live. This time again many people are live. But please try to provide me the correct option. That what will be the correct option of this question. Everyone. Yeah, because all of you are good students and all of you have time. So please try to attend these questions and try to provide me the correct option. And try to provide me the correct option. Well, I think I should take the responsibility to solve that question. Well, because in that question, green revolution technology plays a crucial role in gradually transforming traditional agriculture into a modern scientific one. That's true, because why there is green revolution? Because green revolution has provided us a huge technology, huge methods by which we can increase the productivity. That's true. Reason, it did not involve much social and environmental cost. Yeah, that's true, because in green revolution there was not much social and environmental cost. That's also true. Both are correct, but but it is not the correct reason for that option. It is not the correct reason for that option. So we have select the answers from the codes given below, because we have codes. Both are correct, but R is not the correct option for A. Okay, so we have option B. We have option B, means both are correct, but R is not the correct option. Explanation of A. So friends, I think it was the last question of our session, and we have enjoyed much. We have enjoyed much, and in these questions, in these classes, we are generally not talking about the questions. We are also talking about the various concepts which will help us to motivate as well as to boost our confidence. So I think that's enough for today, and we'll meet again in our next session. So have a nice day.